All right, so the first question that we pulled from the group this week is from Jessica. She wants to know, was there a way to remove sponsored listings from Jungle Scout, and is that a necessary step? I'm going to let Steven answer this because he uses Jungle Scout way more than I do. So do you want to answer this?
You want to tell people how much you actually use Jungle Scout?
Not at all.
So
when we're on the over-the-shoulder call is what I use. Jungle Scout.
you look over my shoulder as I'm using it. As we help more and more people, I actually have both Lite and Pro. The Lite version automatically pulls sponsored ads out of it, and the Pro version is very simple to just go into the menus, go into columns, and deselect it. Now, there are a lot of schools of thought behind either looking at the sponsored ads or not looking at the sponsored ads. How I stand on it right now is I kind of discredit them. The reason being, for like private label and everything else, I'll look at them just to kind of see what the competition is doing. But because merch does not have an access to AMS ads, I know I can't even compete with that. So if someone's willing to run ads on it, I don't see them as my competitors. And they change so rapidly that it's not worth considering them, because they might be there in the morning. You look at it at night, they might be gone. You look at it tomorrow, they might be back. Look at it in a week, who knows what's going to happen. So sometimes there's like 3 to 4 sponsored ads, depending on how Amazon wants to view that page. And sometimes there's only one on the same exact landing page. So I discredit all sponsored ads for right now. Now, again, with Amazon constantly changing, who knows in the future how I address that. But for right now, I suggest don't worry about them. If you have Pro, I kind of broke everything down in pictures to make it as simple as possible. And if you have Lite, then do not have to worry about it at all.